Artificial leather, a popular material for upholstery, clothing, and accessories, can be easily transformed with paint. To start, select an appropriate paint type. Acrylic paints are affordable and versatile, while leather paint, though slightly more expensive, offers excellent adherence and durability. Chalk-based paint can also give a distressed look. Before painting, clean the faux leather with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dirt, ensuring better paint adhesion. Use a paint palette for organization and consider adding a few drops of acetone to acrylic paint for better consistency. Apply a base coat for large surfaces and use a sponge for even distribution, working quickly to avoid streaks. Allow each coat to dry before adding more layers, and lightly trace your design with a pencil before filling it in with paint. Clean brushes between colors and correct mistakes with acetone if needed. Finally, let the painted item dry completely in a safe location for at least 15 to 20 minutes.